Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
That's say well tighten. Kweku, fix your timing to Kokroko. So,
I hear you.
So fix your timing.
Why
Kweku, good to see you as usual.
Yeah, man.
Enter.
Well, I knew. Indeed, I'm the man. I was listening to Kwame now, and I'm the raising those essential points, you know, in terms of I do see what Supreme Court ended up. It's true, Mr. Ming, all sorts of reports, conflicting reports, different, all sorts of reports on social media, especially, but even some mainstream media houses crash war report, you know. I'm the one charging I see, but essentially in the Supreme Court, I'm there or vacate High Court ruling, you know, relative to the indefinite time frame now. High Court demand they add in law. High Court add in law. Yenya in there was a equal expert here. No grantor. Time frame here 10 days.
Yeah.
10 days in this one now elapsed. Somehow no still so if ruling na tidama perpetuity be a beshimu konabi. Apparently smuggled in there. That's not the right word. It may be disrespectful to the court. I withdraw it.
Better.
So the Supreme Court said, look, idea will lapse, but still also aspects, this indefinite aspects is not supported by law. Into vacate. Le Martin Punde prior to in the dano. Ne police from one go back with an application, this time on notice.
Oh, I see.
Yes, on notice. They're still essentially seeking a court restraining order against a planned demonstration. Now I'm done on June 14th. The court never turned. So this is the situation in terms of the judicial legal processes. But Kwame,
Kweku,
I mean, and it's been a long-standing principle. Okay, this Public Order Act, it came about because of experience you go through relative to the constitutional right to demonstrate. So if your constitution ankasa na read text na, the right to demonstrate no you're unfettered. You right, the right, anytime, anywhere, and all that. I'm not literal understanding or interpretation. If your text na oti. Ne yaba fought before yaba for Republican. Yakada yaba demonstrator. Kwame, ye dena police from Wamaya kwan.
Yeah.
At times crowd were weaponing. It drew starting point now one bad we change your habit. into Munko. This was before the Fourth Republic.
Yeah.
You can imagine, of course, we had a military government
regime.
But butu many times, sometimes brutalities left, right, center, Kwame.
Yeah.
Into normal, the new Patriotic Party was sue IGP 1993 or so. In fact, the judgment was granted, I think, November 30th, 1993.
Okay.
Alajite was the lead counsel. Akufo-Addo,
Peter Alajite.
Peter Alajite was the
lead counsel.
But Akufo-Addo, Gloria
Kufu.
Yes, and some other names. Who were representing the NPP. Peter Alajite, with him Sam Okujoto.
Yeah.
Nana Akufo-Addo, Afram Asiedu, and Miss Gloria Akufu for the plaintiff, that is the MPP. Then Martin Amido, Deputy Attorney General, with him Mrs. Poku Ollings.
Poku Ollings, yeah.
Yes, and Mrs. No, Pobi
Ollings.
Yes, maybe if you Pobi, in the Pobi will meet him.
Adam?
Inima.
Umente da.
Baku Pobi. We will have a scene in our frame back who were hiding the back for obvious reasons. So the Bakuno was being hidden. Until I sharp when they could back. The Times called for it. Mrs. Edusa Amankwa, no a chief state attorney. And this landmark litigation initiated by the NPP, no leading to Parliament. Parliament decided to obey the Public Order Act. Now, Public Order Act, there are still some people who think they're not the best, but that was a compromise, Kwame. They feel even notify police 5 days ahead. Now, police from one trans nama work out the route maybe. So police from the afraid the situation in your conducive. No other work of court. Ninia is elaborated in the Public Order Act. In spite of that, the crowd still not police for no misbehave.
Or frustrate.
Maybe that's the better word. Thank you. Because at times, if we have no work of court, work of expertise.
That means on your blind side.
Yeah, on your blind side. In spite of the Public Order Act. Those of us who were engaged in demonstrations consistently were not happy. In spite of the fact that Public Order Act still frustrations were there, even though back down the balance, to be fair, you expand the frontiers of freedom of assembly, movement, and demonstration. Into contradictions. As you resolve the unity of opposition, you make progress. Into progressively, but under the Fourth Republic, you too, I insist on your rights in spite of the challenges. Some of the court rulings had difficulties with it. Example is what we are just dealing with. Our Supreme Court dealt with yesterday. It's true. Court nan kade, mutumuko out, mokoya mopeda moye. Court can't say that. But at the same time, I'm sure that the convenience of the fix the country campaign with him there. There's another one application pending other work challenge this time on notice. Into Kwame, make an okwara. I'm somebody who sometimes feels uncomfortable with some of these whole things about expertise, especially about demonstrations and assembly. Men call the merits or demerits of Fix the Country campaign war program.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm avoiding that now.
Okay.
I think Kwame dealt with some aspects. The aspects of Kwame thing Metasi. Because Kwame, it's a biane right. We can't impose time frames on them.
Yeah.
Or a war writer. But the truth is there, if some of the issues now were launched for May 9th now, one badona. Apart from, let me do so quote unquote free list now. Almost all those issues were part of the campaign towards election 2020.
I see.
Oh yes, all the issues were part of the campaign. And a party or an incumbent wins the elections or a 4-year mandate.
No.
To execute
the mandate.
Well, I was so right. There back there, look, whether you win the election or you win the election or fix the country, fine. Hear them. Democracy has room for everything, Kwame. We do not have the luxury of an alternative. Here we vote for democracy. It's everything, Kwame.
You notice the emphasis on everything.
Everything, anything. You are entitled to make that noise or to make a case. The Abansa we vote a man only 5-6 months ago. They are also entitled to focus on their program and implement it. Come the 4-year limit, they go back to elections. That's the civilized option you vote for. Inti wise a man is or executing the program. Yes, the citizenry was more right. Munko outside. Munko ye bibia mopedamoye. I mean, I will vote for that. Church mercy. I've always said it, and I think make classical principle.
Yeah, you prefer the ugly noises
to the culture of silence. Inti wabaya wanye, but ye police from so may advise kakrama man. There sometimes moderation.
Yeah.
Moderation, man. Imposition of demonstration.
Ramna is talking the law.
The law.
Not law. Not the band. You are not the band, but the law.
The law.
Not the band.
Ramna is talking the law.
Not the band.
I hear you, and I support that. The law.
Yeah.
Sometimes and we are all challenged. Hey, sometimes inconsistency or selectivity also be a part of the problem and challenge. And I'm sure there, Kwame, or can they conclude or pointing the finger somewhere else to another topic here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Funerals, burial service. I'm there. Kwame, law na reference was suspended funerals nyadama.
Yeah.
Burial service.
Yeah.
No worry. What are exemptions? The exemption is private burial.
That's right.
Man number 25 nyadama. Kwame.
Yes.
There, I was challenged. I had a moral dilemma. Tama, deal with my mom.
Yeah.
Yes.
But well arranged.
Yes, but still, it went beyond the
it
25.
Breached the 25.
Yes, and then outside where the protocols were being observed, outside, there was hardly any observance. Indeed, we now watch it, man. In the more package be a wire. My goodness, that was a disaster. Yeah.
But outside there's area
fight to be crying. Kwame guest awaba mpoa na mehwehwe edzibani bi akoma ho.
Yeah.
Kwame.
Yeah.
Menya bi.
Oh.
Yeah, menya because one was ambush vehicle na adwum na bia yi ni max na complete chaos. Na me gina wana mama kacham de you are guilty.
Oh, why catch on?
No, me kacham me say you are guilty.
But it was unexpected.
No, yeah, but you are guilty in the face of the law. You may go and explain and ask for mitigation. In the case that one me guilty, I mean no, na me can organize this no. Are you getting my beef?
So you should have been arrested.
Yeah, it say if upon sanction organizers na. And and that would be the family.
Yeah.
Those of us who are in charge of the organization. I don't think that you can go for the attendees unless Kwame if you on Shane Max, maybe on also commit offense. But so Shane Max, I'm not sure it's a person there for merely attending that event. You'll be in trouble.
And so 25 no. That's why the organizers are in trouble.
Yeah, but not attendee.
There must be the mind to break the law.
Kweku Baako didn't have the mind to break the law.
Yeah, it's in a message
although established there, you had the mind.
But that's why there's a court. In Brand one kada watch one nine. Ochwa or the due process.
That's right.
Due process and they were defense. It be raised. That's why I use the word mitigation.
Okay.
There in the process, you may raise the issue of mitigation, showing there you didn't deliberately violate the law. It happened accidental. All these things are elements that can be marshaled in terms of defense when you are under prosecution.
Yeah.
Yes, but Sisania can't beyond prosecution. We are looking at prior to prosecution. Yes, whether you are adhering to the protocols
or not.
And I'm saying that Kakrana apart from there, in the church room itself was well organized, BBR fine, except the Norman was beyond 25. Let's be honest, it was beyond 25. Outside, there was complete chaos. And to be honest, I mean, me feel inside. All the time I'm inside. Me buy outside because he see president of we. Wow. I don't know why rough.
Can I miss a question?
Yeah, please do.
There was the outside, there was the inside.
Yeah, the same.
Now, once you sharing there, you outside, you stay put. You inside, you stay put. All your refreshment are Mayan. You are outsider. Obacha ma outside monsa kamoze. Inside monsa kamoze. Na sebinum by their conduct. We decided there. The men she share. Sebi oye in power there. Yet the do. Na se obun kam na wo be insider.
They should
No,
be blamed.
No,
you don't get it.
We had security there. We had police people there.
There were soldiers
there.
Difficult.
Kwamna, you are not listening. Or if you are listening, then
I'm
you are
not understanding.
No, he's listening, he's hearing, but he will not understand.
Meanwhile, he's asking us to obey the law.
Yeah.
Kwamna, Mame can there for law enforcement say chaos no see hono. If law enforcement were minded to deal with the situation, the first people they will call is the organizers.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yes, that's true.
Because that is the law.
I agree.
Yeah.
Honorable point 1 2.
Yes.
Now when they have done that now, I also thought they will go for due process.
Yeah.
Due process, then you will marshal your defense. A one and semi BIA can come on board.
Okay. Matters.
That's the point I was making. See,
Baby,
we are very challenged.
Yeah.
There is no doubt that we are challenged, but may stop short because it's a Yabakoda topic.
In fact, I'm going straight to it
somehow
from
I
here.
preempt in the Kakra by some of the things I'm saying, but it will be the same thing I will say there. If you're that kind of front now, anyway, maybe let me wait. Let's go step by step, Kwame.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.